Trillium Flow Technologies France is part of the global Trillium Flow Technologies group. Trillium manufactures engineered pumps and valves and provides aftermarket services for the oil, gas and power generation industries. It provides flow control solutions via leading-edge equipment, parts and global customized service offerings. Trillium Flow Technologies has over 2,400 employees working at 21 sites worldwide, with its head office located in Glasgow, Scotland. The group includes two established French valve brands, SEBIM and SARASIN-RSBD, which offers ranges of spring-loaded and pilot-operated safety valves. The products of these two brands are designed, developed and produced at the two Trillium Flow Technologies facilities, located in Vendin-le-Vieil, close to Lille, and Saint-Victoret, near Marseille, France. These facilities employ over 300 people. The Vendin-le-Vieil facility manufactures mainly SARASIN-RSBD brand products for the oil, gas and power generation markets. The plant capabilities include machining, welding, painting, assembly and testing. The Saint-Victoret facility is dedicated to the manufacturing of SEBIM safety valves for nuclear reactors and the production of parts for the aerospace industry. The plant capabilities include machining, assembly and testing as well, and also include a control laboratory and dye-penetrant testing capabilities. Equipment produced at these facilities is installed at customer sites by our service and maintenance team, which include over 40 technicians operating in France and around the world.